Welcome back to my channel. This is my makeup look today. It's a Valentine's themed look, so it's got pink on the eyes and really pink cheeks and some red lips, and I did some little hearts on the eyes, like a little negative space hearts, and it's sparkly and pink, and I think it turned out really good, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And as always, all the products that I used today are listed down in the description box if you want to search them up. Some of them are no longer available because that's just how makeup works. It goes in and out so quick, but you can always find dupes for things. I'm using the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil as my primer. The lighting is not as good in this video. I do have my ring light, but it's a cloudy day today. The sunshine coming through just looks so much nicer. For foundation, I'm using like one of my current favorite foundation. I really love this. It's the Physicians Formula Butter Believe It. And I'm just like spreading it all over my face. Just a nice even layer. Okay, a nice even thin layer of foundation. Nothing like, I don't build my foundation up, you know, super duper full coverage. Just like, I want it to kind of look a little bit more natural. So I leave it sheer in most places except for where I want it to just be more like even toned. For concealer, I'm using the CoverGirl concealer. I've been really liking this one a lot. It's the trublend Undercover concealer. I have the shade L100 Fair Porcelain. I'm going to dot a little bit of this in my forehead, on my chin, and then underneath my eyes. About like that. And when I blend this underneath my eyes, I'm going to blend it up onto my eyelids also. I set my whole face with some setting powder, and now I'm going to take these little stickers. They're little heart stickers, and they're for nails, like they're for nail art. So I'm going to use them and put a couple of them on my face, and then that way when I take off the stickers after I put blush and eyeshadow on, it'll be like the little negative space, like heart shape there. Okay, I put two little stickers right here on top of my eyes, and then one right here below my eyes. And now I'm going in with a couple of blushes. The first one I'm using is this one by Ciate. It's the Marble Light Blush, and I have the shade Dusk. I'm going in with this one because it's quite a glowy blush, or it's like mildly glowy, you know, it's not really shiny, and I just want to bring that glow to my face. And then I want to go in with a different one over the top that's a little bit more of a like bright pink. When I do my blush, I'm also taking it up, pulling it up like onto my eyes just to kind of blend everything together, because my eyes are going to be pink and I want to like do the blush as like a base for the eyeshadow a little bit. Now for the pink blush, I'm going to take this one from ColourPop. It's the Pressed Powder Blush, and I have the shade Text Me. I'm using this one. This one is so cute. It's heart shaped, so of course I have to use it for a Valentine's look. And I'm going to, it's very pigmented, extremely pigmented. So I'm going to take a little dab of it and just kind of gradually blend it up on both sides of my face, blending it like up on top of my cheeks into my like eyelids, onto my eyelids as well. I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyeshadow. So I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to take that blush again that I was using and just start blending it into my crease, bringing it up towards the eyebrow. A slightly more denser brush like this one, and take that same blush and just pat it into my outer corner, about halfway across the lid, and then blend it out just a little bit with that same first brush. So I'm going to take that same dense brush and put this on the lower lash line, about like that, and then take the first fluffy brush. I'm not adding more shadow, and I'm just kind of blending this out a little bit so it's not so harsh. I'm building the eyeshadow up a little bit more on the outer edges where the little heart shapes are, just to make sure that it's plenty pink. And I'm bringing this all the way up to my eyebrows. Okay, I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows. They're not perfect, but I am in a rush, so that's kind of just what we're going with. For inner corner highlight and also brow bone highlight, I'm taking a little super small dense brush. I'm going into the Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay, and I'm taking the second shade in the palette. It's called Dust. It's a very shiny light pink. Putting this with a little brush on the inner corner, plus right here on the brow bone. I'm also going to take this same shade Dust on my finger and pat it onto the first half of my lid. I'm going to take that same shade Dust on a bigger, fluffier brush and use it as my face highlight. It's not like super blinding, it's just more of like a subtle glow, sort of. Put it on the nose, a little bit on the forehead, above the brows, all the high points of the face for a little bit of added glow. Okay, I'm gonna take the little stickers off of my eyes. You can see we have the two little heart shapes, and I'm gonna do this other one. This other one will probably be a little bit less noticeable. I just added some setting spray all over my whole face, and I used this one from Hard Candy. It's the Rose Drench Toner and Refresher. It's like a rose water spray sort of, and it does have a little bit of like sparkle in it, just a smidgen of like mica in it. And I think I'm gonna add another setting spray on top that has a little bit more sparkle. I'm just trying to go for like a quite glowy little bit of a look. This is by Iconic London. It's the Prep Set and Glow Mist, and you can see all of these, like the color in it is just quite shiny. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this on top. Just a couple of little spritzes. The little negative spaces did not come out like as exactly heart-shaped as I wanted, so I took this little, kind of like a toothpick, but it's not a toothpick, it's bigger, and I just drew on a little bit of like down in the center there to where they look a little bit more heart-shaped. Okay, I added mascara, and I used this one by Milani. It's the highly rated like tubing mascara. I really like this mascara a lot. It looks really nice on the lashes, plus it's really easy to get off whenever you go to like clean your face, your makeup off, because it's a tubing mascara. So it kind of like clumps together and comes off, and it doesn't like disintegrate all over your face. So last we're going to do lips, and I'm doing a red lip today. This is my favorite lip combo, just like of all time. I wear this all the time. Anytime I wear a red lip, which is quite often, I do this little combo right here. So it's the NYX Professional Matte Lip Liner in Suede, and then over top of that, I line my lips with that, and then over top of that, we're going in with Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. The shade is Beso, and it's just like the perfect like true red color. Okay, so after I put the lipstick on, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on a very small little brush. This is just a brush that comes in an eyebrow palette that I have. And I'm going to just go underneath the lips on the bottom there to like clean up where I, messed up the lines on the bottom. This is the finished look so far. And I want to add just a little bit more to the eyes. Studio Makeup, it's the Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. And the shade is just called Pink. It's like a shimmery light pink color. I'm going to take the applicator, I'm going to put it on the underneath the lower lash line, and blend the bottom out a little bit with a little dense brush. I'm going to take this same like dense brush and spread a little bit of that on the upper lid on top of that shiny shadow I'd already put there. And I'm going to set that with glitter down with same eyeshadow that I used originally, just on my finger. And here's the fully completed look. And my outfit today, it's not pink because it's not actually Valentine's Day. It's just like a little black dress. And I have a few rings on and a couple necklaces, and this is what my dress looks like. It's like a little like wrap dress. I've got just some little tights on and some little black pumps. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you next time.